and let the model define that as well. Next, I'm going to add another Google Calendar tool, and this one is going to be called Search Availability. So I'm going to change the operation to Get Many. Going to select the correct calendar from the drop-down list. I have my limit set to 20 because I don't have that many events on my calendar, and so 20 events is going to take me out like a month. So depending on how many events you have on your calendar, you might need to make that a higher limit or lower, but 20 is sufficient for this use case. Okay, and then I'm going to let the model define the after and the before. And now we are just setting up one final tool, and that is for the agent to be able to update Airtable. So basically what we're going to have it do is agreed on an appointment date and time with the customer. So we're going to go ahead and add a tool from Air, and we're going to call this tool Update Record, and we want to change the operation to Update. Okay, then we're going to select the appropriate base and the table, and then we're going to expand the Update Record node on the left so that we can drag and drop the ID over, and we can get rid of everything else except for the appointment date, which we're going to let the model define. And again, the reason for that is we've given really explicit system instructions, so the model already has that information. We don't need to worry about mapping it twice. The final step is we're going to add one last Airtable node. So add your base and table in there, and all we're going to be updating, so we'll need the ID to match. We can get rid of all of these other fields, and we're just looking for the agent last response. So that's all we're mapping here. All right, so let me get this test data into the agent. Oops, and I forgot to replace the dummy placeholder with my real Twilio number, so let me come back here and fix that and try it again. Okay, let's rerun it, and let's see, I should have a response on my actual phone. So it says, great, your video testimonial is confirmed for 7/25, which is Friday at 8 a.m. Pacific. We'll meet you at your home. Looking forward to it. And that message is crafted within the agent's custom instructions. So you can tweak that, but that's where that lives. Okay, and then the final step is we will update the Airtable record. Yes, we still need to map this guy. Okay, so we need the Airtable ID. We can get that by expanding the update record node, dragging that across, and then the agent last response, which is just the output from the agent right here. Okay, let's execute that step. And let's come back over to our Airtable database so you can see the appointment date and time is updated right here. And then the last correspondence. So if I wanted to, if I'm the business owner and I just wanted to check in and see where are things currently, like what's the communication been with this person, then I can check it out here.